Good day guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can create your Amazon KDP account without restriction. And first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to look for download 3 app that will enable us to sign up successfully on this site. So first of all, go to your Apple Store or Play Store, then search for Amazon shopping app. Amazon shopping app. So you can see for your own side they will show you install, but me I'll just click open. So when you get this one, the second app is your Google. Second app now is to download any authenticator app. So for me, I'm going to use Google Authenticator. Google Authenticator. So for your own side, it will show you install. So you have to click it and install it. Then the last app we are going to use any browser that you have not used before to install to sign up for KDP. You can use either Opera Mini, Kiwi Browser, Firefox, but for me now I'm going to use Kiwi Browser. You too can use any browser you like. I'm going to use Kiwi Browser you wish. So for your side they will show you install. So my own is update. All I have to do is to update it and continue. So let's go and continue the sign up process. So firstly, you have to enter your Amazon shopping app. So right now I'm on my Amazon account. All you have to do is to click new to Amazon. You see, just click it. So what you do next now is to fill in your detail. Fill in your phone number, your first and last name, create your account. So I'm going to pause this, then I'll fill my detail. So after filling your detail, you have to click verify my email. So an OTP will be sent to your email. All you have to do is to check your email and verify your OTP. So click create your Amazon account. So after sign up, it will bring you to your home page like this. So when you're on your home page, all you have to do next is to come to here like this. See where I'm touching? You see where I just touch it there like that. Click the account part like this. It will bring you to this landing page like this. So when you are in your landing page, look for account and other things. You see your account. See this account? Just click see all. All we want to do now, we want to set up our two-factor authentication. All right, when you click here, when you click that show your account all, it will bring you to this landing page. Just scroll down and look for account login and security. See, login and security. Click the login and security. Okay, right now then you scroll down, look for two-step verification like this. Turn it on. Oh my god. Click get started. Get started. Then scroll down. You see phone number. Use your phone number as two-factor question. Don't use it. Just scroll down. Use this one. Authentication app. So right now you see a code. Just copy the code. Copy the code. You see there's code. Just copy it. So I'm going to copy my own and paste it on my authentication app. See, I just enter my Google authentication app that I just download from Play Store. So what you have to do now is to click this plus sign. This plus sign. Then click enter, set up a key. Then you can either write Amazon or KDP so that you'll be able to remember. Let me just write KDP. So your code, your key now, just paste it. I just paste my key now. Use time base, just leave it like this, time base. Then you click add. Yes, add, click it. So 58739. This is what I do. I just copy the code they give me. This code here. I just write it down. I quickly write it down. Then I paste it at the Amazon KDP shopping. So right now you're almost done. So what you do now is to don't require OTP on this browser. You may decide to put it. Don't require OTP on this browser again since it's your phone. Then, but for security purpose, you can be required for it. Then click got it, verify. Now you see you just done your two authentication factor. So after you're done with this your two authentication factor, we're going to enter the step 3, which is now for us to create our Amazon KDP. So this KDP one, we are going to use our browser to do it. Right now we are going to enter the browser we just download so that we'll create our KDP account. If you're finding this video very helpful, please subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss any of the video we posted on this channel. Thank you. So search for amazon.com. So you're going to look for sign in, not sign up. Hope you can see join KDP. Sign in, just click sign in. Just click sign in. This one, click it. So you have to use your password and email you use in your creating Amazon shopping app. The reason why you're going to use that one is that Amazon will enable you to use the same email you use in creating any of their app. So I just put my email and password. So all you have to do now is to click sign in. So two-factor authentication will be sent to that email, that app, that Google authentication. So you are going to that Google authentication and take the code. Any code you just see there, just copy it and paste it here. So let me go and copy the code from the Amazon, from Google Authentication. Let me look for my Google Authentication. See it here. Just click it. You see, my own code now is 601916. I'm going to paste it on my six 01916. So just click, don't require OTP for this browser again. Click sign in. Click agree. So right now we are done creating our account, and the next step we are going to do now is to complete our account by updating it. But right now we have bypassed, so you can see we're just done creating our account. All you have to do now is to set up this part now, which is your account information is incomplete. This place we are going to put our bank detail and other things. So please, if you're finding this video very interesting, subscribe to this channel so that you miss other good video coming in like this. So you have to subscribe to this channel so that when I update the second video, you'll be notified, which I'm going to publish second day of this one. So you have to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.